At Sinar, we manufacture laser cutting machines, press brake, and welding automation solution. For Sinar, Chennai has been a very important market, mainly because of the automotive hub and the other electronics industry. Since most of our products get into these kind of industries, for us, Chennai has been a very important market, and that's the reason for participating in the medal forming show. Over the last couple of years, Sinar has done tremendous developments in technology, welding automation, be it press brakes, laser cutting machines. We are developing our front-end software, the IHMI software, for our Fanuc machines and also Beckhoff machines. And we are currently in the process of developing our nesting software as well. And we have done a lot of developments in terms of automation, in the sense nozzle changing, nozzle centering, and so on. These technologies are not only for the customers who buy imported machines from Europe or Japan. In India, we ourselves can provide these kind of technologies. That's what we want customers to come and see us, know us in the exhibition.